Hi, this is Irvin Ho. Let me now show you how to make this type of visualization where you have one half is about more artistic, the other half is more towards to a real image, right? So with this type of visualization, I can show my audience something like from idea to reality. So let us get started on how to do this. First thing first, you need to get an image that as real as possible. So over here, I have chosen this sports car. So it looks a bit real over here. So how can I make one half real, the other half is like sketching, right? So what do you need to do is duplicate this image, right? Duplicate this image by selecting this image, Control D, it will duplicate another image. So you align this image all together so that it aligns nicely like this. One image I'm going to crop one half, and another image I'm going to crop the other half. So how can I do that? So let's choose one image first. Let's say I choose this image. I go to Format and Crop. Once you click on the crop, you can see there's a handler for you to move around. Once you move your cursor near to the handler, then you can click and drag to crop your image. Let's say I crop until here. You see, once I crop, the other half is gone. So I remain the front part of the car. So what's next basically is to crop the other side of this car. So click on this image and go to crop, and you can see a handler again. Click on the handler and then drag it until it aligns to the other half of this image, right? Ta-da, you see, I have cropped the front part of this car. So now if you move and align it back, it should fit in nicely like this. It looks like exactly it never cropped at all. But in fact, there are two different sections. So like the image I showed you just now, I want to make this half, the back part of the car, to become like an idea or some sketches. So what can we do basically is to turn the other half, the back end of the car, into a more artistic form. So in PowerPoint, there is an option to choose to convert your image to an artistic format. What can we do basically is to click on this image, go to Format, the picture tool, and there's one called tools called Artistic Effect. Once you click out this artistic effect, there are many options for you to choose, whether you want to choose it in a pencil grayscale, you want to choose it as a marker, or you want to choose it as a what it is sometimes it takes times to load, right? A pencil sketch. So for the effect that I have shown you just now, that effect is called pencil grayscale. So I click on paste pencil grayscale, you can see that there are two contrasts over here. One, it looks like an artistic pencil sketch, right? In fact, the other half, it looks like a real car. So with this, I have transformed this image into two different patterns, or you can say contrast, one artistic look and one is real. So what I can do now is to adding more information which I have ready over here. I just put my arrow, maybe turn it nicely like this. Okay, get some wordings. I play around with the font and the typeface. Idea here, I want to complement back to my sketches. So you see that the idea, the word, I choose a bit like a handwritten type of a font. This font is called Mistral. And this one, reality, I will put a more solid and professional looking font. So I'm using my Arial. So with this, I align all and bring it to the center. You see, now I have done with a visualization using artistic effect, complement it to a real image, and now you can make a visualization as in to bring up the concept of from idea to reality. Okay, happy trying. See you next time. Bye.